Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to the 5 of solving random NECO question from NECO 2026. All right, let's take up this random question here. It's from objective question number 52. Now, the question reads, calculate the volume in cm cube of 0.11 grams of carbon dioxide, that's CO2, at STP. Now, we're asked if a particular carbon dioxide, has a mass of 0.11 gram, what is going to be the volume in cm cube? Now, very easy. Now, whenever we hear at STP, the simple thing or the concept or the idea that we should consume in our minds is that 1 mole of any gas is equal to 22.4 dm cube in terms of volume, or 22,400 cm cube. So this is what it means. Now, in terms of this question, how many mole now, let's say x mole, will be equal to that particular volume we are asked to find in cm cube? So we are going to use this idea to solve the question. At STP, 1 mole of any gas is equal to 22.4 dm cube, or 22,400 cm cube. Now, what will be the mole equal to the volume? So x equal to y. Now, how do you calculate the mole? So we are going to solve for this mole first in terms of that carbon dioxide. Remember the formula for mole. Mole is equal to mass all over the molar mass. Now, what mass was given to us in that question? 0.11 grams, right? Now, what's the molar mass of carbon dioxide? Now, carbon dioxide, we know one atom of carbon contains 12 gram and oxygen 16 times 2 because appearing twice here. And if we do that, that gives us 44 gram per mole. So the mass all over the molar mass, 44. And if we simply divide that, that gives us 0.025 mole of CO2. No, so we've gotten the mole. So let's say instead of x mole, we can now say 0.0025 mole. So 1 mole equal to this 0.0025 mole will be equal to x cm cube. So we can easily cross multiply. But in this case, the question say our volume should be in cm cube. So we are not going to make use of this particular number. Instead, we make use of this. So 0.0025 times 22,400 all over 1. So that simply gives us, when you do that, it gives you 56 cm cube of the carbon dioxide. And in the option here, our correct option here is option C, 56 cm cube. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.